Wow, just look at that. It says Oh Umania and it's really nice. And true, being a woman, you get so many responsibilities. If you're especially working woman, you have too many responsibilities to take care of house, family, children if you're married, and work and everything. So I think that's really a great responsibility comes with the woman, with your birth. And being a woman is always good because you are great. So I feel proud being a woman. So yes, without further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So we have this beautiful Oh Umania logo here, saying here it's from euphorbiabox, and this month euphorbiabox is all about women. So let's just jump into this. Usually the box come in this kind of packaging, and when I open it, all these contents this month are packed in this beautiful pouch. We have all the contents in this pouch. Let me open one by one. Oh, they have included a pouch again, which is really pretty, and with such an affordability, the Euphorbia box is really good that you actually get to get this pouch and package so nicely. I think that's really a great job. It's so affordable, and with that amount you get everything. So yes, I'm really happy with the pouch. It's really nice. So we have this April Euphorbia box. We have the contents here, and then it says Oh Umania. It says we have skipped the Women's Day, but we cannot skip the importance of women in life. So we have the next card which says Happy Women's Day, and you're entitled to a complimentary organic and handcrafted soap on order above 1,000 rupees. So we have to go to goodsoap.in and then order products worth more than 1,000. Then we get a complimentary soap. This lipstick. So this is the 7 C's long lasting HD lip gloss, and this one is retailed at $3.99, which is more than the box cost itself. And you have manufacturing in 2018 February and then used before 2021. Number which is 121. Says it's a lip gloss, but I feel it's like more like liquid lipstick, so that's really pretty shade. And that's the first one we have got. And the next thing I can see is this pretty little cute tub which is from Aranium. I've never heard about this brand, maybe it's a new brand. This is a nail and cuticle health cream, and so you have to massage a tiny amount of nail cream into the bare nails, cuticles and skin surrounding the nails. A little bit goes a long way. So this is manufactured by Aranium, the natural cosmetic, which is of 300 rupees. Best before 18 months from manufacturing. So this is manufactured in February 2018, and it does not have any ingredient list. Maybe they have in their website. I will check that. It smells familiar to one of the cream. I don't remember what it is, but it's really nice. So this is how the cream is. It's full tub, and this is of 300 rupees. So often we tend to miss out taking care of tiny things like our nails and cuticles, and I'm really bad in that, but I have to try taking care of them as well along with my skin. So I'll start using this today. And the next thing I say is this Good Soap Glow Elixir. This is gentle hydration for daily harmony with balancing oils. This is a 10 ml product, and this is retailed at 12.99 rupees. That's really expensive. This is how the glow serum is. The packaging is really nice, and this one is naturally balancing, calming and hydrating face serum for problem, oily, blemish skin and T-zone. It's lightweight, it balances, so it has a blend of organic EO of lavender and then tea tree, geranium, eucalyptus, blue chamomile, vitamin A. So it has tea tree, which does not suit my skin. It's tea tree and me doesn't go well, so I'll give it to my sister, or I will add it in a future giveaway. So this is the 10 ml product, and this is of 12.99 rupees. Sadly I can't use this because it has tea tree and it makes marks on my skin whenever I use tea tree. So some jewelry which is Meenakari tassel earrings of 250 rupees. So these are the earrings which are really pretty with tassels, and this is how the earrings are. It's nice, but to be frank, I feel it's not complete Meenakari. I'm not sure why I feel it's not like that, but still it's really good looking. All the products we've got, and this box worth is more than 2,250 products, and that's really surprising and nice. And as they've included this pouch, which is really nice addition, and I don't think you can get any box better than this with such a low cost. And yes, so this is all I've got in this month's Euphorbia box. I hope you like this video. If you like this, don't forget to hit that like button, and also there's a small ding dong bell. Don't forget to hit that, as well as subscribe to my channel. channel. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.